Repeat the following affirmations after me. Ready? Let's begin. Fear has no power over me. Fear has no power over me. I am filled with divine love. I am filled with divine love. I choose faith over fear. I choose faith over fear. I am safe and divinely protected. I am safe and divinely protected. I face today's challenges with boldness. I face today's challenges with boldness. I will not allow fear to hold me back. I will not allow fear to hold me back. I speak peace over every anxious thought. I speak peace over every anxious thought. I face this day with courage. I face this day with courage. I have enough grace to overcome any situation. I have enough grace to overcome any situation. My faith is greater than my fears. My faith is greater than my fears. For more affirmations, visit thegrowcademy.com, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.